Pi Network KYC update. Pi Network Tentative KYC explain how to get approved fast. Over 18 million users have already passed KYC on Pi Network, but if you are stuck on Tentative KYC, this might be the reason, and here is how to fix that fast. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Big update from Pi Network KYC verification 2026. So if your status says tentative KYC, don't panic. This video will explain what it means, why it happens, and how you can increase your chances of approval. So what is tentative KYC? Tentative KYC does not really mean rejection. It simply means your account needs extra verification. Second thing, the system is not fully sure yet. And third thing you need to know about tentative KYC is that you may need additional checks like liveness verification or data review. Pi Network uses AI plus human validators to confirm real users. So this is why Pi Network uses strict KYC. Pi Network follows a one-person, one-account rules to prevent fake accounts and bots, to also protect rewards, fairness, and to keep the ecosystem secure, make real transaction possible in the future. Without KYC, the system will lose trust and value. So this is what you need to do to get approved faster. If you are stuck on the tentative KYC, do these 5 things I'm going to mention in this video. 1. Complete all liveness check in the app. Make sure your personal information is correct. The third point is to avoid using multiple accounts and keep mining regularly. You have to mine regularly and you need to submit clear and accurate documents. So if you can do these 5 things I just mentioned right now and be consistent, the Pi Network will eventually verify your account. So Pi Network is trying to build a real world digital economy where only verified humans participate. So if you are still waiting, don't worry, your case might be under review. So this is Pi Network update 12 hours ago about the tentative KYC. If you click on this article, you are going to find more details on how to get your KYC approved fast. So this is the article concerning the tentative KYC, and you need to do these 5 things that I just mentioned to make sure that your KYC gets approved. So being your account is showing tentative does not really mean rejection, like I said earlier. You just need that system want to be sure about your account, and they need you to show seriousness, activeness, and being consistent that they are going to verify your account. Another thing is that you need to make sure that you have done your liveness check correctly and you are using a clear identity verification. Whichever identity verification you are using, you must snap it clearly so that the system can capture the name, the year, and the month of birth. All these things are very, very important. Do not just upload a blur picture to the KYC portal. They will definitely reject that. So if your account is on tentative, take your time and read this article and find solution to your problem. So if you click on this 3 line at the top, you are now going to see the mainnet. Once you tap on the mainnet, this is where you are going to check your information. You click on this mainnet check link, all your data will pop up, whereby you complete them to get your KYC approved. Now if you go back to the profile, click on your profile, make sure that your profile is showing everything good, making sure that your phone number is verified, you have linked your Facebook, your email is also verified, your identity KYC is also verified, and you also need to add passkey and make sure that your password, you update your password if there is anyone that need update. If all these things are not ticked good, if all these things here are not ticked good, that means you have to click on them and update it. Please do not click on any link you see concerning this. There is no link. Just make sure that you upload your documents correctly and update your email, your password, and do it, and not on any external browser or any other stuff or any other link. Please secure your Pi Network. So go and do this and get your account verified for those that have tentative KYC verification. So that is it for this video. See you guys in my next video. So if you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel, our S account for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.